Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be creating this easy smoky eye for beginners. If you're new to smoky eyes, this is so easy that you can create. Okay, I really loved creating this eye look and I hope you guys are also going to like it. So grab your tools together with me, let's create this together. Please join the family if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell as well. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and let's move into the video. First things first, I'm going to moisturize my lips and I'm going to be using the Vaseline Lip Therapy. My lips are well moisturized and I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids, prepping it for the eyeshadow, and I'm using the Zaron concealer, blending it out with the Zoeva brush. This is their concealer buffer. I'm going to go in and use this Flawless Ivy palette and I'm picking the black shade from this palette. I'm just going to put that right here. This black is very pigmented, very pigmented. I'm just placing it on the lid and kind of dragging it up a little bit. Let's move to the other eye. I'm taking my time so that I don't mess up, like I don't bring it too far up like the way I want it to be, because we're working with black shadow. You need to be careful or else okay guys, so I'm going to be picking up this blue shade from the Sarat Cosmetics palette and carefully blend out the edges with it. Okay, so this is looking good, but I just want to top up the black a bit more. So this should be okay for now. I'm just going to move to the skin and I'm using the City Color Classic primer just to prime my skin, blending it out with a flat brush. I'm just using the same product I use on my skin, blending my foundation in. I'm just going to go ahead and highlight using my regular Pineapple Cosmetics concealer. Blending it out. Blending your makeup can be a low-key hand workout because you just feel the pain in your arms. Let's set this in place. Setting the foundation in place. It's time to bronze and I'm going to be using my Beyond Beauty Face Definer. This is in the shade BB15. I'm picking the bronzing shade. Snatching that nose. This nose cannot be snatched though because it's huge. Big nose association. Let's add a little bit of warmth to the face. I'm applying blush. Glow time. The highlight is looking a little bit crazy, so let's blend it out. Okay, so I'm done with the skin. I just don't want to add black to the lower lash line. I just want to add a bit of color. Should I go in with the blue? Yeah, I'll use the blue. I'm going to go in with the blue and just pop that on my lower lashes. I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline with this Inglot Color Play eyeliner. This is blue. I'm just going to line my waterline with this. Pairing this up with a nude lipstick, and I'm going in with the Pineapple Cosmetics. This is in the shade 8. So I'm going to be taking an orange shade from the Sarat palette and pop that right here. Okay guys, so this is the end of our easy smoky eyes for beginners. Did you guys love this look? Because I really did enjoy creating this, and I love how it turned out as well. Let me know what you think in the comment section below as always, and don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up if you really did love this video. Okay, please subscribe if you haven't already. Join the family, we need you here. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.